Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Texas unemployment benefits. First, gather all necessary documents like your Social Security number, driver's license, and detailed employment history. You'll need wage information from your last 18 months of work. Then, visit the Texas Workforce Commission website to begin your application. It's crucial to provide accurate information about why you are no longer employed. This initial step sets the foundation for your claim. To be eligible, you must be unemployed through no fault of your own, meaning you didn't quit without good cause or get fired for misconduct. You also need to be physically able and available to work and actively seeking new employment. The Texas Workforce Commission will review your past wages to determine if you meet the minimum earnings requirement during your base period, which is typically the first 4 of the last 5 completed calendar quarters before you filed your claim. Once your claim is approved, you must file a weekly payment request to receive benefits. This involves reporting any earnings you may have had, even from part-time jobs, and detailing your work search activities for the week. It's crucial to be honest and accurate with this information. Failing to report earnings or work search can lead to delays or even disqualification. Always respond quickly to any communication from the Texas Workforce Commission. Remember to keep meticulous records of all your applications, communications with the TWC, and work search efforts. This documentation can be invaluable if any issues arise. Also, be aware that unemployment benefits are considered taxable income, so plan accordingly. Protect yourself from potential fraud by never sharing your personal information with unverified sources. If you have questions or face challenges, don't hesitate to contact the Texas Workforce Commission for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.